Hey witches, this is Dawn. I know I haven't been around a lot for a while, so quick update. I wanted to let you know that I'm working a lot of overtime and I'm struggling with the low dopamine, which I've talked about before, but that's my fault. I did something stupid. So I'm back on track, plus I've added some other possible remedies. We'll see. I'll do a video on that if you're interested. Low dopamine, just real quick, is where you don't feel motivated, you don't feel like doing anything. This is where you stretch out on the sofa and you don't want to do anything. It's not a lack of energy. It's not a lack of wanting. I have a desire to do things, but I just don't have that motivation to get me going. Anyway, I'll do another video about what I'm doing and where that comes from and all that. Luckily, I don't have low serotonin, which brings in the depression. So I'm very, very thankful for that. And so anyway, what I'm doing here is an unboxing. I placed an order. It's a business on Etsy. It's called Crooked Cane Designs. And it's the owners are Pat and Trish Perna. Trish has a channel here on YouTube called Beanbag Hagwag, and I'll leave links to everything down below. So anyway, it was coming up on my birthday, and I decided I wanted to buy myself a little something something. So I went out to Trish's website and her business on Etsy, and she has these candles that she dresses up for whatever intention that you have for them. So when you place an order, all she needs from you is an intention. Okay, so what my intention was or is to for success, and I feel like that's like the root of everything, right? Success in health, success in relationships, success in business, success in money, and personal things like trying to overcome my procrastination and disorganization and trying to fix things. So I thought, success would be an overall general, energy that I want to bring into my life. So I've been working on a spell and some powder, with the herbs and things like that powdered up that I could use to, for different things, and oils and whatnot. So I want to bring it all together with this candle in the middle, in the center. So that's my thought here. So I have not opened this up. I got this a while back, not too long ago, but I was struggling with the low dopamine, so having trouble motivating myself for this. But anyway, here I am. I'm going to open this, and I am so excited, you guys, because I saw on her the business Etsy the pictures of other candles, and they're just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I am opening. I just used the razor on it to open up the tape. Woo! Okay, so pretty. Okay, so the first thing is here, this little note. And good luck in everything you do. Look how beautiful. It's a 4-leaf clover, guys. Look at that. How awesome. Woo! I'm excited. Okay. And then her business card. Crooked Cane Designs. Let's see. And that's just on the back. Has a whole bunch of things that she does in her business. Okay. This looks like Crooked Cane Designs. I hope you enjoy your intention candle. As always, put your own intentions into the candle to add your own personal magic. Burning instructions. Candles have a memory. This is true, you guys. And the first time you burn this candle dictates how well it will burn. The first burn time should be long enough for the melt pool to reach a quarter to a half an inch from the edge of the candle. Failing to do this may cause tunneling, which I have had happen to me so many times, and it just is such a bother because it won't burn all the wax. Okay. Cause tunneling or cause an uneven build. Place the candle on or in a fire-safe holder. This candle is made with herbs, oils, and flowers that can easily ignite. Sometimes you have to pull away the pretty to avoid this. Okay, so you have to pull away some of the pretty things, the decorations, to avoid igniting and causing a fire. As always, never leave a burning candle unattended. Thank you for supporting my small business, which is important to me, especially what's happening in this world right now in our country. When you support a small business, you are supporting a dream. That is so true, you guys. It is so true. All right, so lots of goodies. I love this stuff. You can compost it or you can reuse it. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. I know I'm weird. Okay, so this, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna take a look. And if it's personal, I won't share it, and it may be too long. So this is just an explanation of the colors she chose. It's kind of long. I can read it, I guess. Or, you know what? I will type it up and leave it down below, okay? Because this is very interesting. Your candle is special for me. We have very similar goals when it comes to our financial and business goals. So she just goes into pulling the cards she pulled and the colors she chose and so on and so forth. So I'll type this up and put it below so you can see what she wrote. Oh, look, you guys. It's a bundle for burning, for cleansing your space. Look how pretty that is. Wow, looks like sage and rosemary, which I adore. I absolutely adore. I have a little bottle of essential oil. I put it in my mask when I go out, and I inhale the essential oil, rosemary essential oil. And then there's a little flower in the middle. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I'll put that there. All right, so all I ordered was the candle. And so she gave me a little extra. All these are extras. Okay, so here are herbs. Wow. Wow, you guys, I can smell that like from here. Like a couple feet away, I can smell it. It smells so good. Wow, that is so uplifting. Really beautiful. Okay, so now we're getting to the candle. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, it's wrapped up in paper. It's a beautiful ribbon. We're gonna undo the ribbon. Keep that. Oh, lots of herbs. It looks like glitter is in here too. Oh my goodness. Wowzy. Down there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. It looks like a little bottle that's sealed, so it's a spell bottle for sure. And a copper wire wrapped around, and here's a ribbon. And looks like a leaf and a feather. And then the top has glitter, and yes, stuff's falling off. But we have glitter all around. There's glitter everywhere. And it looks like she dripped some wax around the edge. So that is so cool. And it smells delightful. This is beautiful. So if you have a birthday coming up, or Christmas coming up, you might want to think about going over to Crooked Cane Design and checking out what they have. Trish is an artist, so she sells her art there as well, and different things. So check it out. Anyway, thank you, Trish. And I know Trish was worried about how long it took. It was perfect timing. Really, it was. And besides, when I ordered it, it was Mercury in retrograde. So, we know about that, right? Okay, so this, I am in love with it. I'm going to start using it today, actually. So that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for leaving me comments. I'd love to hear what you think about this beautiful candle. Do something today that brings you joy like this and makes you feel good. I love you all, and until next time, blessed be. I'm in love with this candle.